How to access shared subscriptions on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So of course, on your iPhone, you can open up your settings app like usual. And when you go to the top section where your profile is and you can get inside your profile, you'll be able to browse all of the account related information, which also includes the subscriptions, right? So you can click on it there and the subscriptions are going to load up, right? But the point is that some subscriptions are shared over the family sharing. So we have like there's the family group where you add like people from your family to your family sharing, and those people will be able to access your subscriptions and like purchases even. So it is a great thing to get it done, right? So if we are talking about like the main member or organizer of the group on that phone, I can check out the subscriptions and all of the active ones will be there and those can be shared with other people. However, specifically for shared subscriptions, you have to go to the family sharing option. So not to the subscription, but go to the family right there and you'll see the subscriptions right away and see the amount of shared subscription, right? So you can see that is like, for example, the Apple Music, and it might be shared by me, or if it's a different phone which is a different like member of this like a family, which is not the organizer. So you'll see again the same subscription and shared by that person. So you can see exactly who is like paying for that stuff, and you'll see exactly that which subscription gets shared to you. So that's how it functions. That's how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.